Do you have a stack of old t-shirts lying around that you just can't bring yourself to throw away? Well, fear not, because there are plenty of creative ways to upcycle those shirts and give them a new lease on life. One idea is to turn them into trendy tote bags by cutting off the sleeves, sewing up the bottom, and adding sturdy straps. Another option is to transform them into unique throw pillows by stuffing them with filling and sewing up the openings. You can even use different colored shirts to create a patchwork effect. If you're feeling really adventurous, you can try turning your old t-shirts into DIY statement jewelry by cutting them into strips and braiding or knotting them to make bracelets or necklaces. Not only will these upcycling projects give your old t-shirts a new purpose, but they also provide a fun and creative outlet for your DIY skills. So, why not give it a try and get crafty with those old shirts?
Upcycling old t-shirts is not only good for the environment, but it can also be a fun and creative way to breathe new life into your wardrobe. There are countless ways to upcycle your t-shirts and turn them into unique and stylish pieces. For example, you can turn them into tote bags, crop tops, or even pillows. With some simple cutting and sewing, you can transform your old t-shirt into something totally different and trendy. Another idea is to use your t-shirts to create beautiful wall art or jewelry. By cutting them into strips or using them as a base for other materials, you can make colorful and eye-catching accessories that are sure to stand out. So before you throw away your old t-shirts, think about all the possibilities and get creative with your upcycling. Miniature paper crafts are a fun and creative way to create intricate and detailed art on a small scale. From tiny origami animals to miniature paper houses, the possibilities are endless. These crafts are not only visually pleasing, but they can also be a great way to relax and unwind. Making a miniature paper craft requires patience and precision, as each piece needs to be carefully folded and assembled. This hobby is suitable for all ages and can be enjoyed by beginners and experienced crafters alike. Whether you choose to make a miniature garden or a miniature bookshelf, these tiny creations are sure to captivate and impress. So grab your paper, scissors, and glue, and let your imagination run wild with these delightful miniature paper craft ideas.